Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Click Travel Movements. Welcome to our journey through the captivating village of Portofino, Italy. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and experience the charm of this idyllic coastal haven. Our journey begins as we sail into the legendary harbour of Portofino, known for its luxurious ambience and vibrant colors. This is a sight to behold. Walking through the heart of Portofino, we find ourselves in the enchanting Piazza Square, which is where locals and visitors alike gather to savor the Italian way of life. For panoramic views of Portofino and the surrounding coastline, a hike up to Castello Brown is a must. The journey rewards you with breathtaking vistas that will leave you in awe. Delving into Portofino's maritime heritage, you can step into the Maritime Museum. Through intricate exhibits and artifacts, you can gain insight into the village's deep connection to the sea. No journey is complete without savoring the flavors of the region. In Portofino, we indulge in a culinary adventure, savoring traditional dishes crafted with the freshest ingredients. As the day winds down, we find ourselves at the serene Paragi beach. The sun sets over the horizon, casting a warm glow on the tranquil waters. Our journey through Portofino comes to an end, but the memories of its enchanting beauty will linger on. From the charming village square to the breathtaking coastal views, Portofino truly is a gem of the Italian Riviera. If you like this video and want to get more tips and tricks, please subscribe to my channel, Click Travel Movements for more travel stories.